Because it's not the morning. What him say, daylight setting. You the way, hey, let me tell you now. Shelly, you know what thing about yourself? You know me don't want it. Check. Read this time. I get for you president. Alright, my channel. Where's the fire sounding? But did you get the big day?